Gikundi giki kia airitu kuuma icagi ngurani kaunti-ini ya Nakuru maracemanitie kwamũkĩra mataro na githomo kia uria mangihuthira kwirugamirira na gutua matua makinyaniru riria marahuthira nenda cia ukinyaniria. Kuhitukira murugamiriri munene wa gikundi kia Young African Women Fidelis Karaja, airitu aya na aria ni gicunji kinene kia mbeu njithi ni marahotire guthomithio maundu ngurani ari hamwe na uria mangihuthira guithema nda cia tene, kuingirira ikundi cia umaramari nenda-ini hamwe na mangi.
And one of the things that I would encourage girls today all over the world and within our nation is that they use the digital platform positively. Digital platform can change their lives, can change their society, and they should not be afraid. They should fight for that space, and it's also their right to use that space.
Kuumana na kuongerereka gwa ciiko cia andu kunyarirwo na guconorithio nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria, Karaja augite hari bata mbeu njithi kugitirwo kuumana na ciiko ta ici.
We have found that even some of the girls, they commit suicide because of cyberbullying, and these are some of the dangers that we should protect our girls and also our children from such platforms. And we encourage that those platforms, they need to be monitored for our girls.
Hamwe na mathomo maya, gikundi giki ni kirageire na ihinda ria kwiruta maundu mangi ta uhuri wa mbica, gucora na mangi maria mangi mateithiriria kwirugamirira matuko-ini meguka.
We have artists, we have people who can compose very nice songs, and even people who are able to use the digital platforms to tell their good stories.
Gikundi giki ni kigathiririe mubango uyu wa mathomo, makiuga riu no mahote kuhuthira taranda ciao gutariria maundu ngurani maria makoretwo ari kihinga matura-ini kuria maumite.
Nimejifunza kutake photo, lazima uanze na kufocus kwanza. Siko najua hiyo pale, kwa hiyo kibanda ingine ya pili nimejifunza venye unafaa ku sign in kwa Facebook.
Nimejifunza kuhusu photography, nimejifunza kuhusu unaweza kuwa artist na earn money.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.